Hello, and welcome to our very first episode of The Zombie Specialist. In this episode, we hope to identify the different types of zombies so that you can be aware of how to avoid them. The zombie apocalypse is coming, folks. It's best to be prepared for it. So take some notes here. Now, if you find yourself in a fashion boutique or one of those foo-foo coffee shops and you see a sassy-looking individual coming after you, chances are you're dealing with the gay zombie. What you need to do is avoid those places, okay? They're a little sassy, they're really upscale, kind of douchey, and so if you stay away from those places, you can avoid the gay zombie. The thing you have to remember about zombies is they're going to mimic how they were in real life. It's worthy to note here that all zombies are inherently the same. If you take out their brainstem or their brain, then you're going to take them down. If you shoot them in the leg, you shoot them in the chest, you're screwed. They're going to keep coming after you. You got to take out the zombie's ability to feed, okay? If you find yourself in the suburbs, if that's where you choose to have your hideout, and you hear a knock on the door, be careful, folks. Chances are that is the Mormon or Jehovah's Witness zombie. What would you do if a real Jehovah's Witness or Mormon came to your house and they knocked on your door? You wouldn't answer, would you? You'd be telling everybody to be quiet so that they wouldn't know you're home. Do the same thing, folks. That is the best way to avoid this kind of zombie. If you find yourself in a large Muslim population, you want to look out for the suicide zombie here, okay? They can usually be identified by their large, bulky clothing, even when it's 110 degrees outside. Not to be confused with 400-pound fat guys, though. Keep that in mind. Now, for you technically savvy folks out there, if you can figure out a way to remote detonate by cell phone or remote control or something, your best bet is to wait for those zombies to be in a large crowd of zombies. Then you can take a bunch out at once. Next thing you want to look out for, the salesman zombie, okay? Depending on how these guys sold when they were alive, what they sold, is going to determine how aggressive they are and how much they come after you. If you had a salesman who was selling timeshares, they're going to try to sucker you in with some kind of, free vacation or something, and then, later on it's going to be, well, now you've got to do this, now you got to buy it. Salesmen are salesmen, dead or alive, they're going to try to persuade you to buy what they're selling. In this case, they're going to try to persuade you to, give over your brain, give over your body parts for their zombification. The politician zombie is the next one. Politicians can't be trusted, we all know that, okay? One of the things about the politician zombie, though, is you can never be too sure which way they're going to go. So they're very hard to anticipate. They're very hard to get away from. These guys are so unpredictable, you can never tell which way they're actually going to go. Okay, they're going to be trying to kiss your baby. Well, they might say kiss baby, but they're going to eat it. Try to avoid them at all costs, but like I said, they're a little tough to predict. They travel in large crowds. They feel best about themselves when they have a large group around them. You want to look out for cop zombies, particularly the LAPD variety here, okay? This is the most corrupt organization in the world, folks. Everybody knows it. The zombie from the LAPD is no different than the regular officer from the LAPD. They're mean, they're aggressive. They don't care about simple things like civil rights or human life. If a regular officer from the LAPD sees you trying to take out one of his zombie brethren, guess what? He's going to take you out before he takes out his zombie LAPD officer brethren, okay? Dead or alive, they're all corrupt, okay? So that's about it on the different types of zombies for now. And if you don't hear from me anytime soon, keep preparing. Take what I've said here, learn from it, and avoid these types of zombies at all costs.
Awesome, guys. Thanks for checking us out. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video. Share it with your friends. Could help one of them out. Also, we want you to subscribe to our channel because we got more of these videos coming out, and we want to keep you safe and we want to keep you informed. So thanks again. Talk to you soon.